हेलो एंड वेलकम यू ऑल। आज जो हम बात करेंगे जिस सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर वो है एसएमईडी, सिंगल मिनट एक्सचेंज ऑफ डाई। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू नो व्हाट इज एसएमईडी। एसएमईडी का मतलब क्या होता है? Normally people misinterpret that SMED means you have to exchange the die or change over to be completed within a single minute. But no, it is not correct. आपको चेंज ओवर कंप्लीट करना नहीं है 1 मिनट के अंदर। rather it is also called SMED is also called single digit changeover. Means you have to do the changeover within less than 10 minutes. That's why it is single minute. Exchange means it is the act of switching production from one die to another. That is called exchange. And die, that is, you all know that it is basically a special tool which is used to for materials in manufacturing processes. That's why it is called die. So single minute exchange of die. Now the next one is the birth of SMED. SMED की शुरुआत कैसे हुई? The visionary behind SMED was Shigo Shingo, a Japanese industrial engineer. Okay, उनका टारगेट ये था that you have to reduce the changeover time because it is basically very much affecting the manufacturing. So target is to reduce the changeover time to less than 10 minutes. And from there, the concept of SMED came into the picture. Now next is why SMED required. The manufacturing faced a lot of challenges because of long changeover time. Long changeover time होने के कारण से क्या हुआ? It is costly downtime and inflexible production. Okay. Toyota's stamping presses famously required up to 3 days to change dies, which is very affecting the manufacturing processes. And that's why it is so very important that we have to reduce the changeover time to less than 10 minutes. Now, the core principle of SMED. In SMED, there are two terminologies there. दो शब्द है SMED के अंदर आपको समझने के लिए। वो है internal setup and external setup. Internal setup means what? When the machine जब मेरा बंद है उस टाइम जो मैं काम कर रहा हूं, these are basically my internal setup. And external setup means जब मशीन मेरा चल रहा है उसके बावजूद भी मैं जो काम कर सकता हूं, these are basically my external setup. Internal setup के अंदर क्या आता है? Removing the old dies, installing new tooling, making final adjustments. Okay, all these things comes under internal setup. And external setup means what? Preparing the new tools, fetching materials, cleaning the work area, pre-assembly components, all these things comes under the external setup. Our target is to convert as much internal setup as much as possible into external setup so that we can basically reduce the idle time of the machine. That is the main target in SMED. Now, next is why SMED matters. Because it reduces the cost. Changeover time reduce होगा तो cost reduce करेगा. Is improved responsiveness. It is very much flexible to the customer demand. That's why it's very useful in today's world as well. Enhanced flexibility. It has huge flexibility. And better performance. It improves the OEE, means overall equipment effectiveness. So it is very effective in today's world. A real world impact of SMED in action is, you can say that 94% of the average changeover time reduction companies implementing SMED. Those who are implementing SMED, there is 94% average changeover time reduction is there. It enables JIT, just-in-time production. It enables basically lean production and improve safety. So if you like this video, it is just a small intro about SMED. If you like this video, then like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss our PowerPoint videos. I'm going to prepare many PowerPoint videos for you all for your understandings of Lean Six Sigma concepts, very tools and techniques, everything. You can also join our WhatsApp exclusive community where we give free updates to all the Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques. You will get all the documents related to Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques. It will be very, very helpful for you. And stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. And thanks for your valuable time. And I will see you in the next powerful video. Thank you so much. So I hope you will like this video, and if I will be very happy if you can share your thoughts on SMED in the comments below. What your take on SMED, what you have learned on SMED, or what you have actually learned today. So that if you can share, we'll be very happy and obliged. Thank you so much. Thank you.